Hey, this is English Explained. Ever been told to stop beating around the bush? So, what does it mean? It means avoiding the main point by talking in a roundabout way instead of getting straight to it. Examples: just tell me if I got the job. Stop beating around the bush. Get to the point. He kept beating around the bush instead of saying what he really thought, avoiding a direct answer. I don't have all day. If you want something, say it. Don't beat around the bush. No need for unnecessary details. Where did it come from? This phrase goes back to hunting in the Middle Ages. Hunters would literally beat around bushes to flush out birds before catching them, avoiding the direct action of hunting itself. Over time, it became a way to describe avoiding a direct conversation. So if someone isn't getting to the point, you can tell them, stop beating around the bush and just say it. Does your language have a similar phrase? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe.